Zahind friend, today I am present in front of you and I want to give you some advice how to improve your English language, because at this time I think that English language is very important, and so many people want to improve their English language, but they don't know how to improve our English language. So I want to give you some advice, and I want to give you some tips, some formula, and if you will use my formula also you can improve your English. So I have formula LSRW. L means listening, S means speaking, R means reading, and W means writing. So if you will follow LSRW, after 2 or 3 months also you will speak in English very fluency way. My first point, like listening. Listening means you have to listen according to your wish, because if you have interest, like you want to listen any movie, and you want to listen like any song, you want to listen any story, it's your interest, you want to listen like any news, so you have to listen. And if you will listen, so you can improve your listening, and if you will improve your listening, so you can speak very easy and comfortable way. And my second point is S means speaking. Speaking means you have to make one friend and you can talk with your friend. But I think that so many people have no any friend and they cannot able to get any friend, because also I think that anyone people who belong to village area and that types of people cannot make any friend. So you can use social media. At this time there are so many apps are using, and if you will use social media, so also you can create so many friend and you can talk in English language at this time. And also I think that if you want to improve your English, so you have to speak in front of mirror, and it is also important you can improve your English, because I think that also I have done this activity in my life. So it's my second point is speaking is very important. You have to listen every day, half an hours, 1 hours, and after 5 months, 6 months you can speak very easy way. And my third point is listening and speaking, and third point is reading is very important, because so many people cannot speak like a very fastly way. So because it is happening, they are not reading any book. If you want to read like magazine book, a story book, and any newspaper, so you have to read like a very fastly way and also very loudly way. If you will read like any book loudly way, so you can improve your lips movement, and lips movement is very important. If you will improve your lips movement, so you will speak like a fastly way. So it's my third point. I can say that reading is very important. And my last point is writing can help you for improve your English, because at this time I think that you have to write every day one topic, like village area, city areas, city people, village people, private school, government school, modern era, ancient era, dowry system, your father, your mother, your introduction. You can write every day any easy topic, and if you will write, so you have come confidence, and if you have come confidence, so you can express yourself. Because at this time so many people are thinking, if I want to improve my English, so first of all I have to learn grammar. Grammar is important. I cannot say about grammar is not very important. Grammar is important, but I think that if you want to improve your language, so if you want to improve your English, so you have to follow LSRW, and if you will follow like LSRW, so you can improve your English very easy and comfortable way. Because at this time English language is very important. I have told you my first video, English language is very important. I have told you 5 points why English language is important for all of us. So I think that you have understood my point, and I hope you will follow my formula. And if you have create any problem, so you will write in comment box, and I will make another video how to improve our English, and I will give you answer. Okay, so thank you so much for listening my voice, and so Jai Hind, thank you so much.